Now we open the packet chaser file, configure and verify a site-to-site IPsec VPN using CLI. The topology shows 3 routers. Our task is to configure router 1 and router 3 to support a site-to-site IPsec VPN when traffic flows between their respective LANs. The IPSec VPN tunnel is from router 1 to router 3 via router 2. Router 2 acts as a pass-through and has no knowledge of the VPN. IPSec provides secure transmission of sensitive information over unprotected networks, such as the Internet. IPSec operates at the network layer and protects and authenticates IP packets between participating IPsec devices or peers. Part 1. Configure IPsec parameters on router 1. Step 1. Test connectivity. We will ping from PCA to PCC. As you can see, it returned reply from the PCC. Step 2. Enable the security technology package. On router 1, you enter show version command. The security packet is IP-based K9, so we have to enable the security K9 package. As you can see, we can now we have the security package. Step 3. Identify interesting traffic on router 1. We will configure ACL 110 to identify the traffic from the LAN on router 1 to the LAN on router 3 as interesting. This interesting traffic will trigger the IPsec VPN to be implemented when there is a traffic between the router 1 to router 3 LANs. Other traffic source from the LANs will not be encrypted. Step 4. Configure the IKE Phase 1 ISA KMP policy on router 1. Firstly, we configure the crypto ISA KMP policy number 10. And then we configure encryption method. and then the authentication or the key exchange method, and the DS group. Number 5. Please note that on the production network, you would configure at least D8 group 14. And we enter the preset key. Step 5. Configure the IKE Phase 2 IPSec policy on router 1. Firstly, we create the transform set named VPN set to use ESP AES and ESP SSA 8 mark. Next, we create the crypto map named VPN map that binds all of the phase 2 parameters together. And we add the description. And set the peer IP address. And set the transform set. VPN set mat. The asset list. Step 6. Configure the crypto map on the outgoing interface. We will bind the VPN map crypto map to the outgoing serial 0/0/0 interface. As you can see, the crypto ISA KMP is on. Part 2. Configure IPSec parameters on router 3. Step 1. Enable the security technology package. As you can see, the security package has been enabled. Step 2. Configure router 3 to support a side-to-side VPN with router 1. We create an asset list number 110 identifying the interesting traffic from the LAN on router 3 to the LAN on router 1. Step 3. Configure the IKE Phase 1 ISA KMP properties on router 3. and then we enter the encryption method. And configure the authentication method. And configure the DH group. On your production network, you should configure the DH group at least 14. Now we enter the VPN key. Step 4. Configure the IK Phase 2 IPSec policy on router 3. We will create a transform set named VPN set. Next, we create the crypto map VPN map that binds all of the Phase 2 parameters together. And we configure the description and set the peer. And set the transform set VPN set and match the access list. Step 5. Configure the crypto map on the outgoing interface. We will bind the VPN map crypto map to the outgoing 00/0/1 interface. Part 3. Verify the IPSec VPN. Step 1. Verify the tunnel prior to interesting traffic. On router 1, we enter the command show crypto IPSec SA. So on the result, we notice the number of packets encapsulated is 0. Encrypted packet 0. Decapsulated 0. And decrypted 0. Because there's no packet transmit between router 1 LANs to router 3 LANs. Step 2. Creating interesting traffic. We will ping from PCA to PCC. As you can see, there's only one packet successful to transmit from router 1 to router 3 LAN. Now I ping it again. As you can see, we have more 4 packets pinged successfully to router 3 LAN. Now on router 1, we show the result. As you can see, the packet encapsulation is 7 and packet encryption 7, packet decapsulation 6 and packet decryption 6. It means the IPSec VPN tunnel is working. Now we create uninteresting traffic by ping from PCA to PCB. And on router 1, I enter the show crypto IPSec essay again. As you can see, the number of encapsulation packet is not changed, and the packet encryption, packet decapsulation, and packet decryption is the same. Step 6, check result. As you can see, our completion percentage is 100%. Thanks for